In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts using a CSV file on Klaviyo. Navigating through the intricacies of e-commerce platforms can be daunting, but importing your contacts efficiently can significantly streamline your communication processes. So, let's dive right in and make this task a breeze for you. We'll begin by selecting lists and segments from the main dashboard in your Klaviyo account. This section serves as the hub where all your contact lists and segments reside, allowing you to manage them effortlessly. Now, whether you're organizing a new campaign or need to update your current contacts, this is the place to start. To create a new list, look towards the top right of your screen for the Create New button. Once you click it, choose the Create List option from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll provide a name for your list and add any relevant tags that will help you categorize and identify your contacts easily in the future. Remember, being specific with names and tags can save you time down the line, especially when managing multiple lists. Once your list is created, it's time to import your contacts. Click on Manage List on the top right corner again and select Import Contacts. This step is the gateway to populating your list with valuable contact information. To import, you'll need a CSV file. But before jumping in, I recommend clicking on the How to Format Your File hyperlink. This link provides detailed instructions to ensure your CSV file is formatted correctly for Klaviyo. Proper formatting is crucial to avoid any errors during the import process, so take a moment to review these guidelines. After your CSV file is ready, navigate back to the Import Contacts section and select your file. Once uploaded, Klaviyo will guide you through the mapping process, where you can align the columns of your CSV with the fields in your contact list. Take this opportunity to double-check that all entries are aligned correctly, as this ensures that each contact's details are imported accurately. And that's all there is to it. Now you've successfully imported your contacts into Klaviyo, ready to enhance your e-commerce strategies and maintain seamless customer communication. Importing contacts is just one piece of the puzzle, but mastering these simple steps will help you unlock the full potential of your marketing tools. Thanks for joining me today, and happy importing!